We want to be honest with you. In some places, rubbish is either dug down and hidden away with the dead, or packed and posted away with no return labels. In other places, rubbish mountains reaches the sky before our ancestors. Truth is, plastic has infiltrated the yoga and meditation industry. Plastic that tears and wears quickly. Plastic that sooner rather than later will end up either below us or above us as rubbish.
What are your thoughts on the fact that most yoga equipment and wear is made out of plastic and toxic chemicals?
Many of us think that our skin separates us from the world around us, when actually reality is that our skin is the largest gateway into our bloodstream and bodily tissues. What we wear and touch become a part of us, and who really wants to be made of plastic? Many of the brands out there are gambling with our health and longevity. Listen, we humans are amazing at changing, growing, finding empowering solutions and taking massive action. It's time to do this right now.
Hi, my name's Roel.
And I am Malene.
Combined, we have over a decade of teaching, studying and practicing yoga and meditation.
We have a deep urge to bring better products to you because we know it's available, which makes it our responsibility to provide the world and all of us with the best and sustainable solutions. We felt that we all needed a fresh, family-run, trustworthy, heart-led, honest and transparent brand providing beautiful, eco-friendly products. Over the last 3 years, we have been designing and perfecting the world's best yoga mat, and we are now ready to bring it to you. We already have years of experience providing eco-friendly products and thousands of happy customers worldwide. Now we need your help to bring these epic yoga mats to the world. Listen, we are so excited to get this mat to you, featuring our new complete grip technology. The days of slipping and sliding and looking silly in yoga classes have gone. Now you will look and feel like a pro. Ethically made from sustainable sourced natural tree rubber and jute makes these mats 100% plastic free, beautifully packaged in FSC certified craft paper. Now these mats are perfect for your yoga and meditation and exercises practices. Available in 3 nature-inspired colors and easy to wipe clean. Comes in 4mm thickness for your everyday use and a Pack Smart Light 2mm travel edition that is perfect for on the go or when wanting to be that little bit closer to the earth. Premium, natural, steady, long-lasting materials, supportive cushioning and an unparalleled experience, a pro look and a pro feel. One mat, all styles of yoga, from your slow yin yoga and restorative yoga to the hot, sweaty practices and everything in between, including fitness, pilates, qigong, just to mention a few. Why? Because being the best version of yourself is a lifelong practice of movements, letting go, growth and consciously expanding our awareness. So we want you to have the best, most beautiful and empowering setting to do exactly that, so that you can lead your family, friends and the world by example. A space to go to connect to your heart. A place to move safely without slipping. This mat is made for the planet, ensuring we leave it in a better condition than when we found it. This mat is for you so that you can share that best version of yourself. And this mat is for the community so that we can cut down on inorganic toxic waste. This is a mat that is safe for you and your family to use. You and I, we all belong to this world and we will leave a mark, an imprint on it. The question isn't, can we make it a beautiful one? The question is, will we make it a beautiful one and a meaningful one? We say yes. So inhale and stretch your arms above your head. Inhale even more and grow taller. Then exhale slowly. Exhale meaningfully while bringing the arms down and get 1, 2 or 5 of these mats to you and your family. We offer worldwide shipping, and as you're reading this, we are pretty sure you live somewhere here on this planet.
Thank you for your support.